Hello everyone, my name is Nadine Gurnia Amalia. Okay, in this video I'm going to explain about hortatory exposition text. First, I will explain the definition, social function, general structure, and language features of hortatory exposition. This explanation is based on the learning material about netiquette rules. Now, let's start the explanation. First of all, hortatory exposition is a type of spoken or written text that is used to persuade readers or listeners that something should or should not to be done. According to the material, hortatory exposition strongly encourages people to take an action or avoid an action. In this text, the writer gives opinion, support them with arguments, and end the text with a recommendation. Therefore, hortatory exposition texts are commonly found in speeches, articles, editorials, campaigns, and educational texts. Next, the social function of hortatory exposition is persuade the readers or listeners that something should or should not happen or be done. In simple words, this text tries to influence people to follow what the writer recommends. For example, in topic of online etiquette, the text persuades students to behave politely and responsibly in online communication. Now, hortatory exposition text has three main structures. The first one is thesis. The thesis is opening part of the text. It presents the issue and the writer's point of view about the topic. For example, in the topic of netiquette, the thesis can state that online students should learn netiquette rules because online communication needs respect and responsibility. Then, the arguments are the main body of the text. This part contains a series of arguments that support the thesis. In other words, the argument explains why the writer has the opinion. They can be fact, reason, or example. In the netiquette topic, the arguments can explain that online discussion can easily turn into misunderstanding. Without etiquette, being respectful online help maintain healthy relationship. There is no real privacy on internet, so students must be careful with what they share. The last one is recommendation. The recommendation is the closing part of the text. It states what should or should not to be done. In this part, the writer strongly encourages the readers to take action. For example, the writer recommends students to learn and apply netiquette rules in online communication. Next, there are several language features used in hortatory exposition texts. A. General human participants. First, hortatory exposition focus on general participants such as students, people, online users, or the community. Example, learning netiquette rules is important for online students. B. Expression of opinion. Besides that, the text use expression to show opinion such as I think, in my opinion, and I personally believe. Example, I think students should learn netiquette rules for many reasons. C. Simple present tense. Next, hortatory exposition usually use simple present tense because it talks about general truths. Example, for online students, all of the communication takes place online. D. Mental process. Then, mental process show what the writer thinks or feels such as think, realize, feel, and believe. Example, we realize that online communication needs responsibility. E. Material process. After that, material process show action such as write, read, type, and share. Example, students write comments and share information online. F. Relational process. Next, relational process show what something is or should be, such as is, are, become, and seem. Example, etiquette rules are important in online communication. G. Abstract nouns. Also, hortatory exposition often use abstract nouns such as behavior, communication, and privacy. Example, rude behavior can destroy online relationship. H. Modal verb and modal adverb. Lastly, modal verbs show advice, obligation, or suggestion such as should, advice, must, obligation, mustn't, prohibition. For example, students should be respectful in online discussion. They must protect their privacy on the internet. Now, here is the example. The title is Students Should Learn Etiquette Rules. That is, nowadays, online communication is a major part of students' life, especially for online learning. In my opinion, students should learn etiquette rules to communicate properly on the internet. Argument. Firstly, online discussions can easily turn into misunderstandings without proper etiquette. Rude language and behavior can harm communication. Secondly, many people use the internet as a shield and write things they would never say in real life. Learning etiquette rules help students stay polite and respectful. Thirdly, nothing is truly private online. Most information shared online can stay for a long time. Therefore, student needs to be careful and responsible. The recommendation is, therefore, students should learn and apply etiquette rules in online communication to maintain respect, properly privacy, and build healthy relationships. To sum up, that is my explanation about hortatory exposition text. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.